Hello everybody and welcome to my 50th VBA tutorial, quite the milestone. And this tutorial is going to show you how to use a multi-page. A little bit like multi-ball in pinball, but with pages. So let's just create ourselves a new user form, Userform 2, nice and imaginative name. Let's give it a nice colour, so I'm going to go for dark red this time. And then we're going to use this multi-page tool. So just click it, put it on here. I'm going to leave it as grey this time, just because I think it actually looks alright if we look at it in there. So with the multi-page, you probably noticed there just from my little practice, it has multiple pages along the top, and you can click along them and it will do different things. So the first thing to show you is just how to put stuff in there. So in here, let's just put a label and a couple of option buttons. And then as we go into page 2, you'll notice they're not there. And if we press play, as we go into page 2, they're also not going to be there again. So we can just put some more stuff in here. Let's put in some checkboxes. And this box with nothing in it. So I'm not actually going to put anything in there, I'm just trying to show you how it works. So we can then control them from these ones, and then we can go into here, we can go on these ones, and we can do what we want in here, we can do what we want in here, we go back in here, they're still the same. So this is really useful if you don't want to have a massive user form, but you have got quite a few different things you need to go into. And it's kind of like you get quite a lot of databases that have this kind of style on them. So that is quite useful. If you want to add a new page in, just right click at the top here. Don't click down here because it won't do it. Right click at the top, new page, and it'll have a name on it. If you want to rename one, just right click on it, rename, and then the third page. So you can call them what you want, and you can have as many as you want. If you want to delete them, delete, and if you want to move them, then you just come into here and you can move up, move down, move it all around. And so that is essentially how you use pages. They're very simple, they're very easy to use, very functional. If you've got any questions, just drop them in the comments below. But generally, they're just a way of organising your user forms in a really functional and easy manner. So that's going to be it for this tutorial. Thanks for listening, and I hope to catch you in the next tutorial.